This is a complete guide on the Nexus testnet. Now, if you did Nexus 1, Nexus 2, this is Nexus 3, and this is the last testnet before mainnet. This is very important for you to participate, especially if you have been on the journey from the very beginning. In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to do in order for you to start earning. Not just this, I'm also going to show you how to run Node on Nexus. One very good reason for running Node is that you don't need to have your phone or your laptop to be on 24/7. Node will automatically run on the background, and using MintAir.xyz to run a node, it is very cheap. You can see that Nexus is available currently. This might be sold out in a very short time. So if you're watching this video and you want to deploy a node, this video will show you how to do that. How much does it cost to run a node? When I click on deploy, you're going to see that to run a node for 1 week is going to cost me $3.79. Let's just say $4 to run a node for 1 week. Now, if you run a node, what you will earn in a single day, somebody that does not run a node might not earn it in a week. So if you can afford to run a node for $4, I encourage you to do that. For those of us that have been on Nexus from season 1, season 2, and this season 3, I will encourage us to run this node if you can afford it. The website still remains the same, app.nexus.xyz. Come to this website here to run your node. What you need to do is to connect using your email or your wallet address, the same wallet you generated from Nexus or the same email that you used to register. For those that registered with their email address and you have not saved your seed phrase from your wallet, this is what you need to do. Click on the wallet section here and then go to settings. Now, when you come to settings, you need to click on account and security. Click on account and security, and then you can back up your seed phrase and your private key for your wallet. For those of us, because when we started on Nexus, we registered using our email address. So it is important for you to save your private key and your recovery phrase so that even if you lose access to your wallet, to your email address, you can always regain access to your wallet. This is the most important thing you need to do. Again, you need to come to the profile section here so that you can link your social account, your email account, Twitter account, and your Discord. Link all of this to your Nexus account so that you will be better positioned for the airdrop. For the points, when you come to app.nexus.xyz, you just need to click on this button here to start mining. Now, in order for you to save your battery, I will always encourage you to click on battery saver. Always toggle on this battery saver so that the work for your PC will be reduced, especially for those of us that are using low-end laptop or phone to run this. So enable this battery saver so that it will not overpower your system. Then you need to always click on the claim button to claim your points. So I always need to click on claim for my points to be converted into NEX token. These points you are mining here is always converted into NEX token at the rate of 1000 points equals to 1 NEX token. The NEX token is also the testnet token. All right, we don't know yet if the NEX token will be used directly to give us airdrop reward, but just keep claiming them. You can see that the 227 points gave me 0.27 NEX. All right, so that is done. Now let us go to the final part, which is running a node. If you want to run a node, go to mintair.xyz. Click the link in the description of this video, which is my referral link, so that you can get a discount if you decide to buy a node. So once you're here, if Nexus is still available, you'll find it on that dashboard. Just come to dashboard and you're going to see the Nexus and other nodes that are available. So let us continue. I'm going to click on deploy. So from this deploy page here, you can select how long you want to run your node. So for 1 week, it's going to be 3.79, and then for 2 weeks, it's going to be 5.69. So I'm going to run mine for 2 weeks. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is click on pay with credit. Before you pay with credit, you need to add money into your account. Okay, but if you do not have credit, it's going to ask you to make payment, and it will redirect you to make payment with your wallet. You might make payment with your wallet, or you can deposit crypto and make payment. Maybe I'll cover that as we proceed. So I'm going to click on pay with credit because I have some amount in my wallet. So this is done. I have successfully purchased a node, redirecting you to active nodes. So I'm being redirected to active nodes. So from this active nodes here, I'm going to see all the nodes that I've bought. Let me just click on stop and put it on all. So this is the node that I just bought. You can see the NEXUS node there. It's asking me to complete form. This is where you need to link this your node to your NEXUS account. Okay, so to do that, let us see what is required. I'm going to click on complete form. So we are almost there. Complete the configuration of your node by completing this information. So node ID, I need node ID. I'm going to come to my NEXUS here, and then from the left hand side here, this place here, this is the node. So I'm going to click on this node icon here. You're going to see add CLI node or setup CLI node. So I'm going to click on add CLI node. So when I click on add CLI node, it's going to generate. So it's going to generate this code. This code is what I'm going to use to link to my MintAir. So I'm just going to click on copy. Yours will be different. If you want to run yours, it will generate a code for you. All right. So once I copy the code, I will return back to MintAir, and then I paste the code here. Okay. So the code is posted, and then the next thing is NEXUS connected email address. So this is the email address that is connected to my NEXUS account. And then the last one is NEXUS connected wallet address. So I'm going to come to NEXUS, and then I'm going to copy my wallet address. So I'll click here. So once I'm here, I'm going to click on my wallet address. So once I click on my wallet address, click on view address. And I'm going to copy my wallet address. All right. So now that my wallet address is copied, I'll return to MintAir and I paste it there. So my wallet is pasted, my node ID is pasted, my email address is pasted, and then my wallet address is pasted. So I'm going to click on confirm and deploy node. Node configuration is completed. So please wait for the node to be deployed. At this point, this is all I need to do. And then once it is confirmed, my node will start running. So what this means is that from now on, I don't need to leave this my NEXUS to be running 247. As a matter of fact, I can close it. My node will just mine, and I can accumulate points faster. Running a node will help you to get more points compared to those who are not running a node, especially if you do not have a strong laptop that can mine this NEXUS for you. If you don't have a strong laptop, just try and get $4 and run this node, because running a node will only make you earn faster compared to others. So from MintAir now, I'm gonna you can use filter to see all of your node. Once my node is approved, I'm going to see it under running. It might take a while, but in less than an hour or so, it will be running and I can start earning rewards with it. Now let me show you how to add money into your MintAir account. For example, before you buy a node, it's going to ask you to pay with credit, right? The easier way to do that is to come to the menu section from the top right corner here. This boat you see here, once I click on it, you can see my profile here. This is my name, this is my wallet address that I connected, and then you can click on load funds. Now this is where you put in the amount that you want to deposit, the amount you want to deposit into your MintAir account. This is where you put in the amount. So the minimum is $4. So for example, you want to deposit $5, just type in 5 and then you click on buy credit. So this is a platform for payment. So once you are here, you have 20 minutes to make the payment, and you can pay using your wallet. So there are different networks you can use for payments. Examples, if you click here, you can find different networks you can use for payment. So whichever network is most convenient for you, you can use it. All right, but please don't use Ethereum mainnet, especially if you are sending from centralized exchange, because of gas fee. So stick to other networks that have low gas fees. And then not just USDC, you can use any other token depending on the network you are standing with. So making payment here will be very easy. So once you click on connect wallets to pay, then you can decide to pay using your wallet, like connect your wallet and make payments, or you can copy the wallet address, go to a centralized exchange or any other place and send the token. Just make sure that you send the exact token that they will tell you to pay. So once that is done, you can return to your MintAir and then you can make payment. Then you will be able to see the the payment you've made, you see it as wallet balance under credits. So from there you can use it to make payments. If you want to see your balance, you go to billing, all the payments you have made. In case if you make payments, I want to track the progress of your payments, you can come to billing here. All right, so this is where you're going to see everything you've made. You can see the purchase I made today, you can find it here. I bought $5.69 worth of node for 2 weeks, and then other payments that I've made as well. So you can continue to pay, you can verify your payment if you have done payment, or you can cancel your payment. So from here, once you are done, let me check if my node is already running. I will come to my dashboard. I will come to my active nodes. So from active nodes here, you can see that my node on Nexus is already running. Let me return to Nexus and see if I can track that. So from Nexus here, I will come to nodes. Let me see if my node is running. Yeah, so from Nexus here, you can see my nodes, everything is running right. All right, so what I need to do now is I just need to, if I decide to leave my laptop on, I can leave my laptop on, but the CLI node will keep earning reward for me on the background. This is all for now. If you have any questions on Nexus, ask me in the comment section. Just know that this is the last testnet on Nexus before mainnet goes live. So if you want to get in on Nexus, if you've been on Nexus for a while, this is your time to see it to the very end. Thank you so much guys for watching. Like this video, share this video with your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and bye for now.